who has been here for.
So it's like 41 years.
Okay, has seen all the changes in BCS from since then. So we would like to just take a little bit overview how things change and how things are looking. So let's hear from Dibinduda.
Shima is so nice. It was quick to remind me how old I am. And it's over 40 years, that's true, in Cleveland. And when I first came in Cleveland, I was made the registrar. And during puja, my job was to collect money. But it was fun. Just a few brief moments that stick to my memory. The association was very good. I mean, as a matter of fact, we used to say, and it was a lot of truth to it, that I have been to a few cities, but Cleveland offers a kind of somehow attachment with people that I didn't notice in other cities. So now it has evolved. Now it's in the hands of the younger folks like Shima. And so she catches me and drags me through this horrendous process of having to speak. All right, that's enough.
Hi, we are the new subscribers of this channel, Indulgent Beyond. We really appreciate this channel because it brings forward like the day-to-day life here abroad in America. And what we really enjoy are the travel vlogs of this channel. And we hope to see many more videos of these sorts. Great job, keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you. We are here with Rupak Deb, who is the treasurer for Bengali Cultural Society. So welcome, Rupak Da. Today we are going to hear more about some updates on this cultural program, Durga Puja. Let's hear from Rupak Da.
Thank you, Shima. We had a big challenge to maintain all this almost 300 plus people, and we have to maintain in a pandemic situations. We had to maintain all this COVID rules and regulations. So thank you very much for all this, our members' cooperations, our all the collections were electronic collections. We avoided in-person cash collections or check collections. All the registrations and even the event payment, membership payment were in advance. So we just had to maintain that this time, and all the members responded very well this time. So I must appreciate that, and thank you very much for all your cooperation and help to each other. Thank you.
কাজ করা টিম হাই ভিডিও হচ্ছে কাজ করা টিম ভিডিও হচ্ছে अच्छा इसको बांग्ला में कहते हैं प्रजापति तो आई एम गोना सिंग अ बंगाली सॉन्ग इन अ like without any tune লয় তাল মাত্র without any of those প্রজাপতি কোথায় পেলে ভারী এমন রঙিন পাখা
सत्यां सर्वलोको प्रणेत्रिंच प्रणमामि सदाशिवां मंगलां शोभनां शुद्धां निष्कलां परमां कलां विश्वेश्वरीं विश्वमातां चण्डिकां प्रणमाम्यहं सर्वदेवो मयीं देवीं सर्वरोगो
Let's welcome Shomenda, who is also part of the executive committee for BCS. Let's hear more about details of today's pujo. Welcome, Shomenda.
Thank you, Shima. Thank you. I'm Shoman Bhattacharya. My wife, Brati, is the vice president this year. And this is after not having any in-person programs in 2020. This year we are getting back. Everybody is here. It was a blast. We really love to see everybody after almost 2 years, and it was pretty well. Everybody was within the rules and everything. So it was a pretty well organized event. We live streamed the event in both Facebook and YouTube, and we think a lot of people enjoyed that who couldn't come here. They were able to see it in the computer or in the TV, and overall it was a great program. And executive committee did a great job there. The cultural committee who did who set up all these things, fantastic stage setup here. Overall, it was a great program. Everybody enjoyed it, and thanks Shima for being here and capturing all these moments.
Thank you so much, Shominda. So let's welcome Joytuda, who is Cultural Secretary for Bengali Cultural Society.
It was great 3 days of celebration. So first day we set up the idol and the background that you can see, the backdrop. Team worked really hard. So that was the first day of puja. Second day we had both in the morning and evening sessions. We had a great time. A lot of people came. We had good food, all the puja celebrations, and today was the final day. So we had Sindur Khela at the end of puja, and dance, Dhunuchi Nach, and it ended on a grand scale. And I hope when you watch the video you will enjoy, and thanks for hosting us, and thanks for everything. Thank you.
We would like to thank you all our viewers from Indulge and beyond. This was an amazing experience for Durga Puja in Bengali Cultural Society. We hope you enjoyed as much as we did. And stay happy, stay healthy, and we will see you again with another festive episode soon. Till then, goodbye.